everyone, welcome back to our 10-week beginner English course. This is day 9, and today's lesson is all about shopping in English. Shopping is something we all do almost every day. Buying food, clothes, or household items. That's why learning how to ask for things, talk to a shopkeeper, and understand prices in English is very important. In this lesson, we will learn useful shopping, vocabulary, common phrases, and real dialogues. You will also practice with me, step by step, so that you can shop confidently in English. Let's begin. Part 1. Vocabulary. Things in a shop first. Let's learn some important words we use while shopping. Shopping vocabulary. List, shop, store, mall, market, cashier, price, money, cash, credit card, bag, basket, cart, customer sale, discount, cheap, expensive, clothes, shoes, food, fruits, vegetables. Repeat after me. Shop, store, market, basket, cart, cashier, sale, cheap, expensive, good. Now let's use some of these words in sentences. This shop is big. The cashier is friendly. I use a basket to carry my items. These shoes are expensive. That dress is cheap. Now repeat after me, slowly. Part 2. Useful shopping phrases. When shopping, we use short and polite sentences. Let's practice some common ones. Customer, excuse me, how much is this? Shopkeeper, it's $5. Customer, can I try this on? Shopkeeper, yes, the fitting room is over there. Customer, do you have this in a different size? Shopkeeper, yes, we have small, medium, and large. Customer, can I pay by card? Shopkeeper, yes, we accept cash and card. Repeat after me. How much is this? Can I try this on? Do you have this in a different size? Can I pay by card? Part 3. Talking about prices. Prices are very important in shopping. Let's practice how to ask and answer about prices. How much is this apple? It's $1. How much are these shoes? They are $50. Is it cheap? No, it is expensive. Is it on sale? Yes, it is 20% off. Repeat after me. How much is this? It's $10. Is it cheap? Yes, it's cheap. Part 4. Real-life dialogue. 1. Supermarket. Now let's practice a shopping conversation in a supermarket. Dialogue. Customer, excuse me, where are the apples? Worker, they are in aisle 3. Customer, thank you. How much are they? Worker, they are $2 per kilo. Customer, great, I will take 2 kilos. Worker, do you need a bag? Customer, yes please. Now, repeat this dialogue slowly after me. Part 5. Real-life dialogue to clothing store dialogue. Customer, excuse me, how much is this shirt? Shopkeeper, it's $15. Customer, do you have it in blue? Shopkeeper, yes, here it is. Customer, can I try it on? Shopkeeper, sure, the fitting room is there. Customer, thank you. Repeat after me slowly, line by line. Part 6. Longer role-play. Electronics shop. Now let's do a longer role-play with more details. Dialogue. Customer, good afternoon. Shopkeeper, good afternoon. How can I help you? Customer, I am looking for a phone. Shopkeeper, sure, we have many phones. What brand do you want? Customer, do you have Samsung? Shopkeeper, yes, we have this model. Customer, how much is it? Shopkeeper, it is $250. Customer, that's too expensive. Do you have something cheaper? Shopkeeper, yes, this one is $150. Customer, okay, I will take it. Can I pay by card? Shopkeeper, yes, of course. Customer, thank you very much. Shopkeeper. You're welcome. Now, let's repeat this role play slowly together. Part 7. Polite phrases for shopping when shopping. It's important to be polite. Here are some polite phrases you can use. Excuse me, can you help me? Please. Thank you very much. You're welcome. That's too expensive. Do you have something cheaper? Repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me? Thank you. You're welcome. Part 8. Practice activity. Now it's your turn. I will ask questions, and you answer aloud. How much is this book? Do you have this in a small size? Can I pay with cash? Where are the apples? Good. Keep practicing. Part 9. Extended sentences, practice. Let's practice longer sentences for fluency. I want to buy some fruits from the supermarket. This dress is too expensive. Can you show me a cheaper one? I would like to pay by card. Please, can you help me find the milk? I am looking for a pair of black shoes. Part 10. Homework assignment. Now it's your turn to write. Write 5 sentences about shopping in the comments. For example, I went shopping yesterday. I bought a new shirt. The shoes were expensive. I paid by card. I said thank you to the cashier. Excellent. Writing will help you remember better. Well done. Everyone, today, in Lesson 9, we learned shopping vocabulary, useful shopping phrases, how to ask about prices, and we practiced real shopping dialogues. In the next lesson, Lesson 10, we will learn about talking about travel and transportation in English. Very exciting and very useful for real life. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson. Keep practicing, and see you in Lesson 10.